Alright, so here's how you can use Google VEO 3 completely free on your mobile. First, open up your browser and search for Google Flow. Tap on the first result and you'll see a button that says Create with Flow. Go ahead and tap that. Next, sign in with your Google account, accept the terms, and boom, you'll land on the Google Flow homepage. Now here's the deal. To use Google VEO 3, you need to subscribe to Google AI. It's going to ask you to subscribe, so just tap on Subscribe and it'll take you to the pricing page. Here's the good part. It gives you a free trial for the first month, so you won't be charged anything. Just tap on Get Google AI Pro, add a payment method, and you're good to go. Once that's done, you'll get 1,000 free credits to start generating videos. Now create a new project, then hit the settings icon. From there, select how many outputs you want, and make sure to set VEO 3 as your model. If you want the best quality, choose VEO 3 quality. It costs 100 credits per generation. But if you're cool with faster results and slightly lower quality, pick VEO 3 Fast. That one only costs 20 credits per video. And that's it. Now just write your prompt, hit generate, and your video will be ready in a few seconds. As you can see, the quality is insane. I used the quality model for this one. So yeah, that's how you can get Google VEO 3 completely free on mobile and start generating your own videos right now. Give it a try and let me know what you create. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.